Hi everyone and welcome back to the Dev Portal. In today's video, we will talk about final methods in Java. Final methods are the method that cannot be overridden by the subclasses, and they help us to protect critical functionalities from being modified. Our final method is a method that cannot be overridden by any subclass. This is useful when we want to lock down certain behavior in a parent class and ensure that it remains consistent throughout all the derived classes. Now let's see an example to understand it in a better way. First, I will create one class name as parent, class parent, and inside this class I will create one method as final method. So final void show. Inside this method I will add sysout statement and I will type this is a parent show method. Now I will create one child class which will extend the parent class, and we will see how it can use the show method. So class child, to inherit the property of the parent I will use extends keyword, extends parent, and that's it. Now I will create the object of the child class, and with that object we will try to access the show method. So child obj equal to new child, and I will call obj.show. Let me save this code, and in the console you can see it is printing this is a parent show method, as child is a subclass of the parent class. Now what I will do, I will try to override this show method in the child class, and we will see the compilation issue that it will occur, it will generate. So void show, and I will add sysout statement. This is a child class show method. I will save and I will add the annotation override. Now let me try to run this code, and you can see it is saying incompatible class change error. Class demo.child overrides final method demo parent.show. So it means that the method which is already created as a final method in any of the class, we can extend the behavior but we cannot override that class. So final methods are commonly used in framework where critical logic should not be altered. By making a method as final, we ensure that no one can override in a subclass and introduce bug or unexpected behavior. Now that we understand final methods, we use them to protect crucial functionalities in our program. In the next video, we will talk about final classes and how they prevent the inheritance. So stay tuned.